Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Olga and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, if you stepped out the door after sunset, you probably felt that chill. And if you're doing a little dog walking later on tonight, you're definitely going to need that jacket. We have clear skies. Winds have backed down considerably, about 2 to 5 miles per hour. Temperature, Decatur is at 51. Dew points are low, so it's feeling fairly comfortable under those clear skies. But those north winds are pumping in that much cooler air. We will stay seasonably cool overnight. These temperatures should bottom out right around those middle range 50s. Around dawn, we could see about 50 degrees for downtown Huntsville. Right now, though, the chill is on. The air will stay dry and the winds will pick up a little bit during the day. Tomorrow we'll have a breezy afternoon. But for today, we really held back on our high temperatures. The official high at the reporting station for Huntsville, only 77 degrees. But check out that chilly morning low in the 40s. We have a couple of more 40s coming up later on this week for morning lows. So clear and cool overnight tonight. We will see a general cool down this week. We're going to run well below average, but by the time we get into the weekend, I'm tracking the opportunity to bring in some rain, and part of that is due to the influences of the remnants of Ian on its current track. So for right now, we're quiet. Way 31 Storm Tracker or Early Radar Warning Network looking pretty good. The wide picture shows just how much action is going on down off the Florida coast. As Ian continues its trek inland, it has been causing quite a bit of heavy downpours, even some of those tornadoes we told you about earlier today, and even some wind damage as well. Right now, the hurricane is continuing to track north at about 10 miles, 15 miles per hour. We're looking at the track here, which is now taking it into Florida a little further to the south. They're still projecting it to be close to that Category 3 level as it makes landfall, and it will continue with some pretty significant strength as it moves inland. For us, though, tonight, it's going to be calm, quiet, and clear as we slide into the 40s. Tomorrow, holding back our temperatures just a little bit. I think tomorrow's high will only be in those middle range 70s, so even cooler than what we saw today. With those pretty brisk winds at 15 miles per hour out of the northeast, we could see gusts up to 20 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon, so it will be a little bit breezy. Future radar keeps us quiet. Morning commute is sunny. Afternoon and evening looks pretty good on Thursday. But as we move into that Friday forecast, that's when I think we're going to start to see a little bit of a change. Clouds begin to move on in. Again, this is influenced a little bit by that track of Ian, but we could see some rain in some of our locations. And here's what we're expecting. Most of the region will see only about half an inch or so, but some of our regions off toward the east of I-65 could see more than an inch of rain, perhaps 2 inches of rain due to the influence of the remnants of the storm. So the big weather story for us for the next several days is that we'll be a little bit below average with those chilly mornings, but at least a lot of sunshine through the day. As we bring in more moisture, we'll see overcast skies all day on Saturday with rain off and on, pretty healthy chance. But by Sunday, rain tapers off. We'll salvage the second half of our weekend, and we're looking pretty good Monday and Tuesday of next week with highs in the middle 70s.